Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the Dividend Capital Requirement Calculator for $750 in monthly income and how to estimate the amount of investment capital needed to reach this dividend goal. First, set your monthly dividend income target. In this example, the goal is to receive $750 every month from dividend-paying investments. A clear income target makes it easier to calculate the annual income requirement and compare different dividend yields. Next, convert the monthly income goal into an annual amount. To do this, multiply $750 by 12 months. The result is $9,000, which means the investment portfolio must generate $9,000 in dividend income each year. After that, choose an expected annual dividend yield. The dividend yield represents the annual dividend income as a percentage of the invested capital. For this example, we will compare yields of 3%, 4%, 5%, and 6%. Then, calculate the required capital by dividing the annual dividend income goal by the expected dividend yield. The formula is required capital equals annual income divided by dividend yield. For example, at a 3% dividend yield, divide $9,000 by 0.03. This results in required investment capital of $300,000. Similarly, at a 4% dividend yield, divide $9,000 by 0.04. This means approximately $225,000 would be required to generate $750 per month before tax. At a 5% dividend yield, $9,000 divided by 0.05 equals $180,000. Therefore, a higher dividend yield reduces the amount of capital required. Furthermore, at a 6% dividend yield, $9,000 divided by 0.06 equals $150,000. However, investors should remember that a higher yield may sometimes be associated with higher risk or a less sustainable dividend. Next, adjust the calculation for tax when applicable. If dividend income is taxed, the portfolio may need to generate more than $9,000 before tax to provide $750 per month after tax. For instance, using a 15% tax rate, the required capital can be adjusted by dividing the before-tax capital by 0.85. At a 3% yield, the adjusted capital becomes approximately $352,941. Likewise, at a 4% yield, the after-tax capital requirement becomes approximately $264,706. At a 5% yield, it becomes about $211,765, while at a 6% yield, it becomes approximately $176,471. Therefore, the quick calculation process is simple. Multiply the monthly income target by 12 to calculate the annual dividend income requirement. Then divide that annual amount by the expected dividend yield. Finally, adjust the result for tax if necessary. However, dividend yield is not the only factor that affects the required capital. Tax rates, dividend growth, market volatility, and dividend reinvestment can also influence the final result. For example, growing dividends may increase future income without requiring the same level of additional investment. On the other hand, dividend cuts or falling company earnings may reduce the income generated by the portfolio. In addition, reinvesting dividends through a dividend reinvestment plan, also known as a DRIP, can help purchase more shares. Over time, those additional shares may produce more dividends and support long-term compounding. To improve the safety of the strategy, focus on financially strong dividend-paying companies rather than simply selecting the highest-yielding investments. Review earnings, free cash flow, payout ratios, debt levels, and dividend payment history. Moreover, diversify the portfolio across several companies, sectors, and industries. Diversification can reduce the damage caused by a dividend cut or poor performance from a single investment. It is also important to review the portfolio and calculation assumptions regularly. Dividend yields, share prices, tax rates, and income goals may change over time, so the required capital estimate should be updated when necessary. In summary, generating $750 per month requires $9,000 in annual dividend income. The estimated capital requirement is $300,000 at a 3% yield, $225,000 at a 4% yield, $180,000 at a 5% yield, or $150,000 at a 6% yield before tax. Remember that these figures are estimates based on constant dividend yields. Dividend payments are not guaranteed. investment values can rise or fall, and higher yields may involve greater risk. This information is provided for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.